Hello everyone, here is the meaning of the offset function in Excel. Suppose you have numbers like 5, 8, 6 and you want to do sum. But you want to do the sum of the limited numbers, okay? Like here I have one more number 3 over here. So what I will do, I will write equal to sum, okay? Then I will select this first cell, then colon, okay? And then after colon, I will write offset, okay? And in that offset, obviously again it will require reference, so first number we will select comma. You want to start from 0, then we'll write 0 comma, and how many numbers or till which number you want addition or sum. So this minus 1, I want total 3 numbers sum. See, 8 plus 5 plus 6, it is what? 19. And that is possible using what? Offset function. Here is the formula. Thank you everyone.